Okay, day 16. We're going to start off with a little bit of Payne's Gray, just through here. Pretty bold mark. And then I'm going to come in with just a little bit of water and kind of bring this shape up. Sort of let it do its thing. Something a little different. Still want to play around a little bit with that charcoal. So let's come in with, we still want a big brush. Let's come in with a little bit of the, oh, what is that? Burnt sienna, or that's not sienna. Whatever color this is. I forgot. Umber, I think it is. Yeah. Okay, I do want to put some lines through here. I like what's going on up there. Trying to simplify just a little bit, but I don't want this line to come over. Just a little. Maybe add just a little bit more color through here. And then I think I'm going to add in another little bit of that umber color. Put through here. I'm going to take this piece of cardboard and just sort of pull it down. Okay, I'm going to let that dry. Okay, I want to come in with a little bit of that Peach Pit black. Oh, that's such a nice color. I like how it's kind of blending with that color. And then I still have a little bit of this granulating that we made yesterday. Surprisingly still wet. Amazing. Let's come in again with cardboard and just kind of bring it down. I like that texture it's going on there. Let's see. Let me think about it. Okay, so I want to add just a little bit more color up here with some of the sienna. So I think it needs just a little something going on there. And we should probably add some of that color. Let's put some through here. And I think maybe, let's see, maybe some through here. A light wash. Okay. Let's add in some charcoal through here. And this is the violet or lavender from Derwent. Using here. Let me get a sheet of paper. We're going to give it a little spritz. Oh God, I almost spilled my water again. I'm having issues this week with spilled water. Okay. I'm gonna make some marks within these splatters a little bit. Using my palette knife. Okay, let's let this dry. Okay, so I think I'm going to add a little bit more of that umber color. I'm going to get a stiff brush out here and just paint some in here. Thicker paint. Dry brush almost. Also, I think I want to add some Payne's Gray. And some spots to kind of bring this color down through. Oh, that was way too much. Oopsie. Yeah, that was a lot. That's okay. Let's scrape back into it a little bit. You can tone it down. I don't like that mark. Okay, I think I'm keeping it pretty simple today. I really like what's going on up here. I think that's really cool. Where's that peat color? I think I want this to be a little, maybe not that color. Dark. This one's just called dark. I think it's black, but it says dark. Let's get that a little wet. See how dark we can make it. Apparently not that dark. It's like a fine line there between. Let's come in with a stiffer brush. Let's see if we can. There we go. Do a little swipe through here. Okay, we are done. Is there anything else I want to do? Kind of feel like I want to add just more of that umber, just a little bit. I'm not sure if I like that. Let's give it a little texture. Okay, let's see what it looks like with the matte. Alrighty, here it is with the matte. The thing that I really wanted to experiment today was the sky. And I think that came out. I got some little weird dots up there. I think that came out really well with the one line of the Payne's Gray and then sort of letting it fade up into into the top with some water. I think that was a really cool technique. And then I like how simple the sky is and how bold the foreground is. I think it plays nicely. I like this little line through here. Create some tension. I like the starkness of the black. Of course, I love the marks. I love that purple with that umber color. And we made some little bits of green there with that mountain bluish green color. The cardboard swipes were fun. They added some nice texture. Yeah, overall pretty happy with this. Yeah. So that's it for today. Tune in tomorrow for day 17, and we'll continue on until the 28th. Thanks so much. Bye.